Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Roshan Course. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, in today's video, we are going to learn how we can change Flutter app name in iOS and Android. Okay, let's start. Here I have already created one project. Here I already run this app, and this has name Roshan Course. Let's change this name in iOS and Android. At first, let's change in Android. For Android, you need to go to Android folder. Inside Android, you need to go to app. Inside app, source, main, and you need to find Android manifest.xml. Click in this. Click here, and here you need to change this label. Okay, let's change this. Okay, this much for Android. Let's move to iOS. For iOS, you need to go to this iOS folder. Inside iOS, let's go into runner. Here you will have info.plist file. Let's open this, and here you need to find the CV bundle name key. Okay, here it is. Here we need to change this string. Let's change this. Okay, let's run this app. I'm going to run this app in Android only. You can test in iOS also. Okay, let's run this. At first I will close this, then okay, it is running. Okay, new app is installed. Let's see app name. Okay, here is new app name, our new app. Okay, by this way you can change Flutter app name in iOS and Android. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. If you have any query, please comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel for more technical videos like this. Have a great day. Thank you.